If you're seeing the ChatGPT bad gateway error, don't worry. This is usually a temporary issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few quick steps. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix the ChatGPT bad gateway error so you can get back to chatting as fast as possible. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. A bad gateway error is often caused by a temporary connection problem, so simply reloading ChatGPT can solve it right away. If refreshing doesn't work, try clicking Regenerate Response if that option is available. Sometimes the request just needs to be sent again, and that can clear the error without any extra troubleshooting. If you still see the issue, the next step is to wait a few minutes. In many cases, this is not a problem with your device at all. A 502 bad gateway error usually means there is a server-side issue, and the best fix is often just giving the system a little time to recover. While you wait, avoid repeatedly spamming refresh because that can sometimes make things worse or keep the page from loading properly. After a short break, try opening ChatGPT again and see if it loads normally. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger gateway errors, especially if the page is timing out or failing to connect properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, depending on what you're currently using. This quick change can help you figure out whether the problem is your network or the ChatGPT service itself. If one connection works better than the other, then you've likely found the issue. Another effective fix is to clear your browser cache or try a different browser altogether. Sometimes stored browser data can interfere with loading ChatGPT correctly, especially if an older session or corrupted cache file is causing conflicts. If you're using one browser and the error keeps showing up, open ChatGPT in Chrome or Edge and test it there. A fresh browser session can often solve the problem immediately. If clearing the cache is necessary, make sure you remove cached images and files, then restart the browser before trying again. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the issue. To recap, start by refreshing the page or regenerating the response. Then wait a few minutes if it looks like a server problem, check your internet connection, and finally, clear your cache or switch browsers. These simple steps solve most ChatGPT bad gateway errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.